You don't need a lot of people to grow your traffic and sales. You can actually use tools to help you out. Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to break down 5 tools to create a profitable online business. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. The first tool I have for you is Crazyegg. Look, people come to your website, but are they actually converting? Crazyegg is a tool that helps you do A/B testing and conversion optimization. What's cool about Crazyegg is anytime you run a test, it'll show you visually where people are clicking on your page, and sometimes they won't be clicking in the right areas. Sometimes they'll be clicking in areas you don't want them to be. Or sometimes you have a call to action button and they can't really tell and no one clicks on it because it's too far down the page. Crazyegg will show you all this in mouse recordings and heat maps, and then what you can do with their Wiziwig editor is adjust the placements of specific elements and delete things and test to see if that helps improve your conversions. The second tool I have for you is Hellobar. Leads. The money's in the list. The more emails you have, the better off you are. Collect as many leads as possible. With Hellobar, you can collect tons and tons of emails and you can do it for free. And they have designs for you. You can collect leads with a name, an email, a phone number. So that way your lead isn't just an email address and it can sync in with your CRM. Number 3, Mailchimp. It's a free email tool. What's more to say than that? And they have way more features, but most people use Mailchimp for their email solution. And the cool part about Mailchimp is it can go out there and you can end up sending emails to literally thousands of people a month for free. If you have a bigger list, you're gonna have to spend some money, but it's a great start and I love using Mailchimp. Number 4, Mobilemonkey. Here's what I love about Mobilemonkey. They have this Instagram autoresponder solution, and they do with Facebook as well. Instagram, Facebook, some of the most popular social networks. And what this tool allows you to do is respond automatically. So for example, if you go find my username Neil Patel on Instagram and you add me and you send a message, and the message could be anything, you'll get an auto response that is me pitching my ad agency and NP Digital. And that works really well, and we're actually getting some leads from it. Or if I post a post on Instagram and I may say, hey, direct message me a specific word like SEO or SEO tool or whatever it may be, I can actually set up an autoresponder that sends you something specific if you direct message me that specific word. The 5th tool I have for you is Ubersuggest. You can get started with SEO for free. You don't need to spend any money. You can do keyword research for free, find content ideas for free, figure out how much traffic your competition gets for free. You can even get, hey, here are the list of my top pages from my competition that I should go and create. It'll even show you all the people that link to a handful of your competitors but don't link to you for free. It offers so many features for free, might as well get started versus paying for something. Now, if you have a business and you're trying to do more marketing, yes, in the long run, hiring more people does help you out. You can use agencies like NP Digital, you can use contractors, but ideally, if you're on a shoestring budget, start with a lot of the free tools out there and then go from there. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment and I'm here to help you out.